Hey there, today we're going to look at how to use Restaurant 365. So let's get started. First, log into your Restaurant 365 account. Over here, enter your username and password to access the dashboard. Then, take a look at your main modules like Accounting, Operations, and Workforce to understand where everything is located. After that, go to the Operations section. Over here, review your schedules, inventory, and daily sales summaries. Then, open the scheduling tool if you want to create or edit staff schedules. Over here, select a day, choose your employees, and assign their shifts. After that, save the schedule so your team can access it. Then, move to the inventory section. Over here, add new items, update quantities, or begin a stock count. After that, enter your values and finalize the count when you're done. Then, go to the Accounting module. Over here, review invoices, approve bills, and check your financial reports. After that, open the banking area to reconcile transactions if needed. Then, explore the Reports section. Over here, generate sales reports, labor reports, or inventory reports. After that, download any report for your records. Then, check your admin settings. Over here, update user roles, adjust permissions, and customize your restaurant setup as required. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.